Welcome to Learn Easy English Daily. Today, Tom is not feeling well. He visits Dr. Sharma at the clinic. Let's listen.
Good morning. Please come in and sit down.
Good morning, Dr. Sharma. Thank you.
How are you feeling today, Tom?
I am not feeling well, doctor. I have a headache.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a small fever too.
Grammar time. Tom says, I have a headache. We use I have to talk about sickness. I have a fever. I have a cold. I have a headache. Easy.
When did the headache start?
It started 2 days ago.
Do you have a cough?
No, I do not have a cough, but I feel very tired.
Okay, please open your mouth. Let me check your throat.
Oh,
Your throat is a little red. It is a small infection.
Grammar time. Dr. Sharma asks, do you have a fever? We use do you have to ask questions. Do you have a cough? Do you have pain? Very useful.
is it serious, doctor?
No, do not worry. It is not serious. You should rest for 2 days, and you should drink warm water.
Should I take medicine?
Yes, take this medicine 2 times a day, after food.
Okay, doctor, I will.
Grammar time. Dr. Sharma says, you should rest. We use should to give advice. You should drink water. You should sleep early. Should means it is a good idea.
Come back after 3 days if you do not feel better.
Sure, doctor. How much is the fee?
The fee is 500 rupees. You can pay at the counter.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sharma. You are very kind.
You are welcome, Tom. Get well soon.
Goodbye, doctor.
Goodbye. Take care.
Grammar time. Dr. Sharma says, get well soon. We say get well soon to a sick person. It means I hope you feel better. Take care means be safe and healthy. Quiz time. Your friend is sick. What do you say? A, get well soon, or B, happy birthday? Think about it. The answer is A, get well soon. We say get well soon to a sick person. Well done. Great job listening. Let's remember 4 useful phrases from today. 1. I have a headache. 2. Do you have a fever? 3. You should rest. 4. Get well soon. Now it's your turn. What do you say when you visit the doctor? Write your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.